Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can send your CV using Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to send your CV through Gmail, you just simply have to open Gmail in any of your web browsers. I'm using this Gmail shortcut in my Chrome. Now, after opening Gmail, you just simply have to click on this Compose button at the top. From there, you will get so many options. You just simply have to click on this Attach Files option here. After clicking there, it will lead you to your files. You just simply have to go into the folder where you have the CV file. Just select the CV and click to open. Now, your CV file will be selected here. You just simply have to enter the recipient here and then enter a subject. You can write the designation of yours here. In the body part of the email, just simply write down a suitable cover letter for your CV. Then, send the email. By following this very easy step, you can send CV to anyone using Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.